In this video, we will see how to get time warp scam filter on TikTok and Instagram. The first and the most important pass is search this in Google. And we have two methods. The first, how to get time warp scam on TikTok. We have 5 steps. Step 1. Open TikTok and tap the plus button to create a new video. Step 2. Tap on effects on the last side of the screen. Step 3. Tap the search icon magnifying glass and type time warp scam. Step 4. Select the filter to start using it. You can choose ether, horizontal or vertical line. Step 5. Tip. Alternatively, click on a video in your feed already using the filter and click try this effect. How to get time warp scam on Instagram. We have 4 steps. Step 1. Open Instagram and swipe right to open the story camera. Step 2. Scroll through the filter option at the bottom all the way to the right. Step 3. Tap the browser effects icon magnifying glass. Step 4. Search for time warp scan or warp speed and select a version to save it to your camera. And well, that's all for this video. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time.